and it is something that I got online. I was just browsing one day Louis Vuitton online, and I found mine. This is it. So I got the Christmas packaging, which I'm happy. It's down, and this is the receipt. Okay, so it doesn't have a price. I guess through the email they have it listed it in there. So let's open this together. So excited. And this is the purse. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Oh, it looks like this is upside down. So we'll fix it. So this is called I don't know how to pronounce it. It's in French, but I'll just pronounce it the way it was written. So it's like Boite Chapeau Souple. I don't know, but anyways, that's how this bag is being called. Look at this. I'm so excited. So it looks like this, and then it has a lock. This is the lock and the keys. Yeah, it's the lock and the keys. I'll just put it back in here, and it's like it has a felt like lining inside, and the canvas is very soft, and this is already dyed vaqueta, or I don't know if they call it, it's called dyed, but it's actually looks like it's pre-treated. So that's the term, pre-treated vaqueta. So I'm gonna put it in here, and let's try it on together as crossbody. I was actually having second thoughts of this bag, because firstly, I don't know if it will stay on my body, crossbody, since this is at the, like, it's not that stable if it's in here. Like, I'd rather have it maybe like here on the upper part, so it will stay stable when you put it on. I talked to my friend who's also a YouTuber, or has some videos in YouTube, and she has this. Her name is Chanel LV. Please check out her channel. Like, she's very like informative whenever she talks about her purses. She's also a fellow Filipina like me. Like we were both schooled in the Philippines and work here professionally in the US. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god. So I asked her about this, if it bothers her, and she said it doesn't, since you can just, if you want it shorter, you can just clip it here and here. So thank you, my friend, for helping me decide for this purse. So it looks very pretty on. I've read about the other purse lovers saying that it looks like a water canteen, which actually gave me second thoughts, because it really looks like one. Like, it really looks like a water canteen if you're gonna look at it. But the purse addict in me like kept on telling me otherwise, that so what, like, it looks good, like it's a classic, you know, it will stay. The look of the purse for me looks like a classic. Like, can you just imagine if this will become vintage? Like, if you are a true collector of Louis Vuitton purses, like, this is really a must-have in my opinion. So yeah, and I love that the vaqueta is pre-treated. Like, I don't have to do anything about it, and it looks actually pretty on. Really love it. So this is also very nice that they put a hardware LV on this luggage tag. Like it's like I can just imagine this putting on my other purses as well, and it's spacious enough that you can put a lot of things inside as well. So my first impression in this purse is really good, and I'm also thinking like this is the one that hinders me in getting this purse as well, because look, if you put it on the table like this, like I'm thinking like how this strap, like it will look like this or like this, like it won't stay in place. But you know, maybe you can just put it like this on top so it won't really get stretched in here. And the leather is also durable, which can stand the test of time. So yeah, I've seen also in Instagram that they use this as a backpack. So I still have to play with this purse since I don't know how do they attach it. Maybe over here. Yeah, maybe if I'll be able to find out or like play with it and be able to see how was it attached, then I can make a thorough review on it. But so far so good. Oh my god, so pretty. It's really nice. Like the design looks like a classic, so that really went in my mind when I saw this purse. It really looks like a classic. I would want this to be a little longer, so we'll see if I'm gonna put it over here. So aside from the holes, they have this this sign, this longer hole, which is also functional. And let's see if I can here, like so, like this. I think this is better. What do you think? So for those people who love this purse and have those second thoughts about it because of the shape and everything, well, I guess you have to really try it on or take the risk of just buying it, so you'll be able to know if it will fit your lifestyle. Because for me, I almost didn't buy this purse. I didn't even dare ask my SA. Oh, I asked my SA once and she said that this is very hard to find, so I just stopped. I didn't even put myself on wait list or anything. But just a few days ago, I'm just browsing online and I saw this available and just bought it right away, and I'm glad I did. So thank you so much for again sharing this moment with me by unboxing this pretty purse, and hope to see you again next time. Bye.